It's been a week now since the one rank, one pension protests have been on in different parts of the country. In Jantar Mantar in the capital, batches of ex-servicemen are sitting on rotational hunger strike every day to draw the government's attention to their demand. They claim it's not a discussion in the monsoon session of Parliament, but a clear decision from the Prime Minister which will help them.
For decades, they've been making one point, that pension is not just a freebie, it is a certain requirement, it is something which is given in exchange for service which they've rendered to the nation. But today, lakhs of soldiers from the Army, Air Force and Navy find themselves in a position where this government, despite promising one rank, one pension, has not fulfilled that requirement as yet. And they have a simple question: when is it actually going to happen now that you've committed to it? Well, to join us now to give us their views on this entire issue, I'm joined by Major D.P. Singh. He's seated to my left, and Wing Commander B.S. Bakshi. Now, both of them are war veterans. Let me talk a little bit about Major D.P. Singh first, and I'm going to show a picture now. Because this man, seated to my left, and we're going to talk to him in just a moment from now, is known as the Indian Army's Blade Runner. Like Auster Pistorius, he is a person who has a blade on one of his legs. How did that actually happen? Well, let me tell you how. It was during 1999 and the Kargil war. He wasn't actually deployed in Kargil, he was deployed on the Akhnur front near Jammu, that a mortar struck him, it blew off his leg, but he kept fighting. He's now got a prosthetic leg, and the issue of people with disabilities is central to OROP.
Here we are for one rank, one pension, not from the army. Here we are for one rank, one pension demand from the government, right? And we are not saying that government is not agreeing to it. We are not even debating and negating the fact that government does not coincide with us. Government agrees to these facts, and government has also given the assurance that we will implement it. But that will thing is not getting converted into a fixed date.